Welcome back, friends. Welcome back to the homestead and into the kitchen again. Today we're cooking kotletes, which is kind of a Latvian pork burger thing. So for this we need some pork mince. We've got some potato flour, some oat flour, pepper, salt, sour cream, an egg, nutmeg, those gimines seeds again, ginger.
Ļoti maz ginger būs.
Yeah, very little amount of ginger, small amount. Onions, got 3 onions, oops, and some garlic. 3, yeah?
Yeah.
3 cloves of garlic. Oh, 4. Yeah, 4 cloves of garlic. And we're gonna mix all this together, and then we'll make some kind of fritter burger shaped things. You'll see anyway. And again, great discovery when I came to Latvia, these kotletes. So I'm keen to demonstrate them to you so you can have a go yourself. And yeah, so let's get on and make these kotletes. Mother-in-law's back, she's raring to go already, as you can see, and cutting the onions and preparing all the ingredients. And if I've missed anything, then I'll make sure that they're all listed in the ingredients at the end of the video or in the description below, so don't worry about that. She's a fast worker and I struggle to keep up. So let's get on and make the kotletes.
Ot vienu šito te ēdam karota kaudzu. Tiesim pipars.
Pinch.
Šķipsniņa.
Pinch.
Jā.
Gimines, yeah?
Jā, ķimenes.
Caraway seeds.
Jā. Ēdam karot uz to masu. Auzu pārsūtīja milti. Sēļa vēl būs jākaisa. Jā, un drusku ūdens būs atkal. 50-60 gramu ūdens. Apmēram. Es jau visu neizliešu. Apmēram es tā 50-60 grami ūdeni. Citreiz es lieku arī baltmaizi klāt. Man liekas, kad es pagaršošu. Tu tagad nefilmē, es pagaršošu. Vēstāli nevajag. Jo gaļai vajag vairāk sāli nekā salātē liekam. Tad būs gatava. Vēl drusku saspēdīšu, lai tas saules izvienojās.
Okay, so our kotletes are now done here, all mixed, as you've just seen. And mother-in-law was just saying sometimes you might need some breadcrumbs and sometimes you might need less or more water. Nu, citreiz vajag vēl ūdens un mazāk ūdens un baltmaizi.
Ja es lieku baltmaizi izmērcēt ūdenī, tad es nelieku ūdeni. Tad es tādu slapu baltmaizi ar ūdeni.
Yeah, sometimes wet breadcrumbs. It depends on the meat. whether the meat is wetter or, it depends on the pig and where you get it from and stuff like that. And this is actually it's not our pork. This is from a local producer called Konduri. He's a very good local producer. Stāvā tā gala,
3 uz šito kilogramu es ieliku 3 riciņas baltmaizi, ja es liktu.
So sometimes that's a kilo. Sometimes you need 3 slices of bread, but then the bread here is smaller, so it does depend on the size of the bread. No?
Jā, šoreiz mums ir bez maizes, tāpēc mēs drusku pielikām.
This time without bread.
Tos auzu miltus.
But there was maybe a bit more flour. Yeah, and so it depends. And you saw that there was a very additional salt, velsali, and things like that. So, those kind of things you have to judge a bit. So we're now going to wait, but you don't have to wait. You can just cook them straight away, but we're cooking them for later, so we're going to wait. Mēs gaidām tagad, jā.
Kad mēs cepsim.
Vēlāk.
Jā.
Later we'll cook them. So we'll see you later.
Mirds Tiljons zvanīja tagad, piezvanīja Malvīnu, bet es teicu, es tagad nevaru runāt. Cepšu kotletes vīram dzimšanas dienu. Jaunībā klopēju sīpolu karbonādiem virsū uz vienu pusi. Paldies, Miržu, paldies. Paldies, Miržu, paldies. Tev arī, lai Dievs kaimiņā rādīja. Lūdzu, jā, kaimiņa. Un es drusku kartupeļu ūdeni paņemšu, tur ir arī saules klāta. Jā, kā jūs teikt. Arī es filmē, vai kartupeļi jau arī nav mieksti. Paskat kāda. Te maliņam būs tev veču. Visiem labu aptīti, lai Dieviņš svētī to dzimšanas dienu, jā.